maybe you're a little bit newer to boating or a little bit newer to boating with a larger boat or wanting to get a larger boat, Catamaran, super easy to drive. Just kind of think about it. The engines are so far apart, really allows you to be able to maneuver and control the boat very easily. And then of course you have the option of adding in a dock mate, which literally gives you a wireless controller of your boat. You can literally walk around, do your own lines and everything, all from just kind of dealing with a joystick. So very, very easy boat for anybody to learn to captain.